Hey everybody! Today on Make Your Mark, we are making a seashell mermaid crown. Are you ready? Let's make a seashell mermaid crown. Okay, for this project you need a 1-inch wide plastic headband, sand it to make it rough, and this will make the glue stick nicely, and then secure it to a large jar to keep it stable while you work. Fill some silicone molds with hot glue. This mold has a coral motif, but as an alternative, you could use some twigs that look like coral. Remove the coral pieces when cool and adhere them to the headband with more hot glue. Next, take a large brass filigree piece and adhere it to the center of the crown. Spray paint the entire crown or paint it with some metallic gold acrylic paint, up to you. Glue on some seashells. Every mermaid crown needs seashells. The earliest mermaid stories date back to 1000 BC with the Assyrian goddess Atargatis, who transformed into a fish-tailed being. Next, embellish with pearls, rhinestones, and rhinestone trim. While often overshadowed by mermaids, mermen are also featured in mythology, sometimes depicted as more monstrous or less interested in humans. Add lots of glitter paint over the entire crown and then sprinkle on even more glitter. Once it's dry, add industrial glue with a toothpick where the pieces meet to make it extra sturdy. Let me know what you think in the comments. I think this is a great summer craft. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to everything I used. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books. I'm gonna leave a link in the description to those as well, and I will see you next week. Bye.